Our team is Biofuse, and the device we've chosen is Medisys MediOne Grand Anesthesia Machine. An anesthesia machine is used for the administration of anesthesia, which is provided through two ways. In this machine, we use a face mask through which the gases are provided. This eliminates the need for insertion of a catheter. So our device provides an accurate and continuous supply of gases such as oxygen and nitrous oxide and our main anesthesian vapor, which is isoflurane. This is delivered to the patient at a safe pressure and flow. And this also during the surgery, we have to ensure that the patient is stable and unconscious throughout the. There are two ways to classify medical devices. One is C classification, which puts this device under class 2A based on criteria like duration of usage and whether it is invasive or not. So since a device falls under the classification of class 2A, it takes 3 to 5 months for the approval to be granted. The validity period is for 3 years, and in 2 months prior, the registration for renewal should begin, and the complexity of the registration is moderate. So under FDA classification, our device falls under class 2. It requires 3 to 6 months for approval, and the validity does not expire, and hence no renewal is required. It is a fairly complex procedure. Predicate devices are used for getting approval by comparing a device to a pre-existing device in the market, and our predicate device used is Medisys Excelsior. These are the criteria used for the comparison between the predicate device and the present device. It is a tool that helps us find solutions for specific problems. For example, with the anesthesia machine, the main function is to move gas. So the action and object are chosen accordingly. We get a list of solutions to move gas. Predicate devices are used for getting approval by comparing a device to a pre-existing device in the market. So these are the solutions obtained for measuring concentration. So these are the product requirements of a device. In terms of function, it accurately mixes the anesthesia vapor with other gases and are given through the oxygen mask. The device should operate at a flow rate of 500 milliliters per minute. It also provides a quick changeover between different operations. Under safety requirements, a shader probe is used to prevent misconnection to the wrong gas service. A pin index system is used to prevent the accidental connection of a cylinder to the wrong machine. The tubes are leak-proof, and a scavenging system is used which incorporates negative and positive pressure relief valves. For user interface, an 8.4 inches color TFT is used for display. For the working environment, a sterile operating theater with sufficient space is required. For usability, a trained anesthetist along with a manual with clear instructions of the usage and the safety is required. So the action and object are chosen accordingly. Design for manufacturing is a process to design products to optimize manufacturing functions and assure best quality and customer satisfaction. These ISO standards have been incorporated in the manufacturing of the device. It provides for hypoxic guards and OFPD as standard safety protocols, provides full range of ventilation modes, and most mechanical and electrical parts of anesthesia machine are available by many retailers. Design for serviceability. Device is designed considering the possibility of service requirements. These are some of the design aspects kept in mind while dealing with vaporizers and gas systems. For electricity, one has to check which electrical safety system is in use, know how long the UPS will provide power, know who to call if the primary mains power fail, know how long the battery backup lasts, and plan how to manage an extended total mains power failure. Failure modes and effect analysis is a procedure for identifying all possible failures for different stages of device development. Failure modes are potential sources for failure, and effect analysis are consequences of the failure. In this device, a potential failure might be of ventilator due to faulty tubes and valves, or failure of gas inlets of oxygen and nitrogen. Thank you.